all right, this plant here, it's a small tree-like plant. It's called heavenly bamboo. I don't really know if it's in the bamboo family, but that's what it's called, heavenly bamboo. I do not know the scientific name, but these berries will turn a burnt orange to a red color in the winter. This is an evergreen. It'll stay green all year, and these berries will be around most of the year as well, or through the winter anyway. These berries, now the seeds have cyanide in them, just like an apple seed and some other fruit seeds. They have cyanide in them. So that means they're toxic, so you cannot eat the seeds. I don't think there's been any reported deaths from eating the seeds, but if a bird eats enough of these seeds, it will kill the bird. But anyway, so the seeds are toxic, just like an apple seed. So don't eat the seeds, but the flesh, when this thing is ripe, that's that burnt orange or red color. When that is ripe, the flesh, the pulp of this is edible. It is not toxic, but the seed is very toxic. And now people have eaten the pulp. I've never eaten it myself, but I will try it this year when these ripen. Anyway, they're toxic to birds, so some people don't like them around, period. Anyway, this is a survival food. This is something, if you came across this thing in a survival situation and seen the berries, they were ripe, you could eat the berries and spit out the seeds. You could boil the leaves a couple of times, pouring off the water each time, and eat those. It makes them edible, just like pokeweed. Just boil them a couple of times, pouring the water off each time, probably a 15 to 20 minute boil, and it renders them edible. Seed toxic, pulp of the berry is edible. Do not eat the seed. It's like an apple seed. It has cyanide in it. Anyway, that's it. It is an awesome wild edible. And that's about all it is now. In Japan, they use it a whole lot for ornamental. But anyway, that's it. They say it's invasive. And they say that the berries will kill birds if the bird eats too many of them. Now, some birds eat them, and it doesn't kill them, but they don't eat too many. Anyway, that is it. Heavenly bamboo. It's a survival food. And it does grow in the woods, on the edge of the woods. And when I first seen this plant, I thought it was actually in the holly family because of the berries, but it is not. Anyway, I'm not an expert. You need to consult with a local expert before you go eating anything. Heavenly bamboo, survival food. We will see you on the next one. Remember, berries turn a burnt orange to a red when they're ripe. We'll see you.